Welcome to the Australian Immigration Channel, your go-to source for all things related to Australian visas and immigration. In today's episode, we will delve into the eVisitor visa, Subclass 651. This visa is a popular choice for tourists, business travelers, and those looking to visit friends and family in Australia. So let's get started. What is the eVisitor visa, Subclass 651? The eVisitor visa, Subclass 651, is a travel document that allows eligible individuals to visit Australia for tourism or business purposes. It is electronically linked to your passport and provides a convenient and streamlined way to travel to the land down under. This visa is available to citizens of certain countries, which we'll discuss shortly. Eligibility criteria. To be eligible for the eVisitor visa, you must meet specific criteria. Firstly, you must be a passport holder of one of the eligible countries, which include European Union member states and a few other European countries. Secondly, you should not have any outstanding debts to the Australian government or have had a previous visa cancelled. Additionally, you must intend to visit Australia for tourism or business activities. Duration and conditions. The eVisitor visa, Subclass 651, grants you a stay in Australia for up to 90 days on each visit within a 12-month period. It is a multiple-entry visa, allowing you to leave and re-enter Australia as many times as you need during its validity. However, each visit should not exceed 90 days. Application process. Applying for an eVisitor visa is straightforward. You can do it online through the official website of the Department of Home Affairs or with the help of a registered migration agent. The application usually requires you to provide personal information, passport details, and details of your intended travel to Australia. Visa fee and processing time. Good news! The eVisitor visa, Subclass 651, is typically free of charge. The processing time for this visa is usually quite fast, often within a few days. However, it's advisable to apply well in advance of your planned travel date to ensure a smooth process. Traveling to Australia. Once you have your eVisitor visa approved, you're all set to travel to Australia. Remember to carry the same passport that you used for your application, as the visa is electronically linked to it. Upon arrival in Australia, you will be subject to the standard immigration and customs checks. Work limitations. While the eVisitor visa is mainly for tourism and business purposes, it does not allow you to work in Australia. If you plan to work or study, you should consider other visa options, such as the working holiday visa or the student visa. Extending your stay. If you find that 90 days is not enough and you want to extend your stay in Australia, you may be able to apply for another type of visa. Be sure to explore your options well in advance of your eVisitor visa's expiration date. It's a convenient way to visit Australia for tourism or business, provided you meet the eligibility criteria. Remember to check the official website of the Department of Home Affairs for the most up-to-date information on this visa. Thank you for joining us on the Australian Immigration Channel. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Australian visas and immigration. Safe travels, and we hope to see you in Australia soon.